guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kendra Chick and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Walmart transformation. We're going to be going from that to this. So yeah, if you want to see how I did that, just stay tuned, sis. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that. And if you have, sis, thank you for tuning in. So yeah, let's jump right into it. As you see me doing, I'm just going to take a dress that I love the way it fits when I wear it, and I'm going to cut it out just using it as my pattern. And after I do that, I'm just going to put right sides facing right sides, as you see me doing here, and I'm going to sew that together. So yeah. And again, guys, I don't think I said this, but I will leave all the things that I use in the description box, as always. So when I get finished sewing up both sides, this is what I come up with so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my sleeves and the casing for my sleeves and also the dress. These are both my sleeves and the casing and the dress and its casing. Now I'm going to sew these on, as you see. And now cut the extra fabric off. Never forget to cut the extra fabric off. If you have a serger, then it does it for you, but if you don't, you always want to cut the extra fabric off. It just gives it a more professional look. Cutting off the extra fabric, you want to, well, what I'm going to do is go ahead and make my string for each of my casings. I have 3 casings, which means I need 3 strings, and my dress string will be the longest. And my phone died during this part, so yeah.
This is the dress so far. I did go ahead and sew the sleeves on and put the string inside the sleeve, inside the casing. I'm sorry, I did go ahead and do that. My phone had went dead. So yeah, now all I'm going to do for you guys on camera, since you didn't get to see me do the shoulders, is pull my string through its casing. Now I'm going to go ahead and try it on for you guys. As you see, I did go ahead and string it up. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, I will leave all the things I use in the description box.
Yes, guys, and it is a wrap. Again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's how I went from that shirt, from this pretty ass ruched dress, okay, with the off shoulder and the sleeves ruched too. I'm really feeling it, sis, okay? So yes, if you love this video, give me a thumbs up, like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I am Keandra Chick, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.